Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through how to contact WhatsApp customer service directly from the WhatsApp app on your PC after the latest update. If you've been having trouble finding where to reach support, stay tuned because this process is now faster and easier than ever. First, open your WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're signed into your account and everything is connected properly. Once you're on the main screen, take a look at the bottom left corner. You'll see the settings icon, click on it. Inside the settings menu, you'll see several options for your account, chats, notifications, and more. Scroll all the way down until you find help, then give that a click. This is where WhatsApp keeps all its support tools and contact options. Next, inside the help section, you'll notice an option labeled Contact Us. Go ahead and click on that. This is the key step that opens the door to directly reaching WhatsApp's support team. Once you click Contact Us, you'll see a new button that says Start Chat. Click it, and right away, you'll be taken to a chat window where you can talk to WhatsApp's support representatives. Now, this is the part where you can explain your issue or question. Type out your problem as clearly and specifically as possible so that the support team can quickly understand what's going on. The better you describe your issue, the faster they can help. And that's it. You're now chatting with WhatsApp customer service through the official app on your PC. It's a simple process that takes just a few clicks once you know where to go. So, the next time you run into a problem or need help, just remember these quick steps. Open WhatsApp, go to settings, scroll down to help, tap Contact Us, and then choose Start Chat. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, share it with friends, and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Thanks for watching.